Welcome to a journey into the heart of a nation that never stops winning, Malaysia. A land where tradition meets modern brilliance, where diverse cultures create a powerful unity, and where challenges are transformed into victories every single time. Whether you've heard of Malaysia for its breathtaking islands, towering skyscrapers, or delicious food that captures the soul, there is something far deeper that makes this country truly remarkable. Today, we celebrate not just a place on the map, but a spirit of success that continues to inspire the world. Malaysia is not merely surviving in a fast-changing global era, it is thriving, shining, and showing the world what true progress looks like. From its stunning natural beauty to its cutting-edge cities, from the warmth of its people to the strength of its economy, Malaysia stands as a living example of how diversity, strategy, and determination can create endless victories. Whether it's economic growth, cultural harmony, technological innovation, or global influence, Malaysia has an extraordinary ability to rise above obstacles and turn every challenge into a stepping stone toward greatness. So, welcome as we unfold the powerful story of a nation that refuses to be ordinary. Prepare to discover why Malaysia always wins, how it balances culture and progress, how it stands strong in times of crisis, and how it keeps moving forward when others fall behind. Whether you are a traveler, a dreamer, or simply curious about the secrets of success, this journey will open your eyes to a country that proves winning is not about luck, but about vision, unity, and unshakable spirit. Malaysia is not just a nation, it's an unstoppable force, and today, you're about to see why the world is watching this remarkable success story. Strong economy built on diversity. One of the biggest reasons Malaysia always wins is its unique and resilient economy. Unlike countries that rely heavily on one resource, Malaysia has built a balanced economic system. Its economy is powered by a mix of manufacturing, agriculture, oil and gas, tourism, and technology. This diversity protects Malaysia when global markets face turbulence. For example, when oil prices fall, Malaysia still earns revenue from its booming electronics and palm oil exports. In 2024, Malaysia's GDP crossed $440 billion, making it one of the fastest-growing economies in Southeast Asia. Cities like Kuala Lumpur and Penang have become hubs for global tech companies, while Johor continues to attract massive foreign investments. This economic stability ensures jobs, development, and steady growth, proving that Malaysia knows how to win in the global market. Education and technology investment. Malaysia understands that the future belongs to those who innovate. That's why it continues to invest in education and technology. Universities like University Malaya and University Kebangsaan Malaysia are ranked among the best in Asia, attracting international students and producing skilled graduates. The government's push for digital transformation, such as the Malaysia Digital Economy Blueprint, MyDigital, encourages startups, e-commerce, and AI development. By preparing its youth for future industries, Malaysia ensures it stays ahead of the competition. Political stability and smart leadership. While many nations face political chaos, Malaysia has shown remarkable resilience. Despite occasional challenges, Malaysia's democratic system and constitutional monarchy maintain a balance of power. Its leaders have focused on economic growth, foreign investments, and infrastructure development. Policies like Vision 2020 and Malaysia Madani emphasize innovation, education, and sustainability, setting a long-term roadmap for success. This forward-thinking leadership ensures Malaysia is always moving toward progress rather than being stuck in political deadlocks. Cultural harmony and unity in diversity. Malaysia's greatest strength is its people. With a population made up of Malays, Chinese, Indians, and indigenous groups, the country is a melting pot of cultures, religions, and traditions. Instead of dividing the nation, this diversity creates a unique identity. Festivals like Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, Deepavali, and Gawai are celebrated across communities, showcasing unity and respect. This harmony is more than cultural, it's economic. Diverse communities bring different skills, business connections, and creative ideas that help Malaysia compete globally. Countries torn apart by ethnic conflicts can only watch as Malaysia turns diversity into strength. World-class infrastructure and development. Another reason Malaysia always wins is its world-class infrastructure. From the breathtaking Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur to high-speed highways, modern airports, and expanding public transport systems like the MRT, Malaysia is building for the future. Megaprojects such as the East Coast Rail Link, ECRL, and the Kuala Lumpur-Singapore high-speed rail aim to connect regions and attract foreign investment. These developments not only create jobs but also position Malaysia as a top destination for global businesses and tourists. Tourism powerhouse. Malaysia's natural beauty is another secret weapon. From the stunning beaches of Langkawi to the lush rainforests of Borneo and the vibrant city life of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia is a tourist magnet. In 2024, the country welcomed over 28 million tourists, generating billions in revenue. Tourism doesn't just boost the economy, it also strengthens Malaysia's global image. Events like the Visit Malaysia Year campaign attract visitors from all over the world, proving that Malaysia is a global brand of culture, nature, and hospitality. Strong foreign relations and global respect. Malaysia's foreign policy is another winning factor. It maintains friendly relations with major powers like China, the United States, Japan, and the European Union, while also being an influential member of ASEAN. By staying neutral in global conflicts and focusing on trade, Malaysia gains respect and trust from countries around the world. This diplomatic strength allows Malaysia to secure trade deals, attract investments, and protect its national interests without being caught in unnecessary conflicts. Green future and sustainability. Winning isn't just about the present, it's about preparing for the future. Malaysia is investing in green technology, renewable energy, and environmental conservation. With policies promoting solar power, electric vehicles, and forest preservation, Malaysia is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable development. This not only protects the environment but also attracts eco-conscious investors and tourists who value sustainability. When it comes to food, Malaysia doesn't just win, it completely conquers hearts and taste buds across the globe. Food in Malaysia is more than just a way to satisfy hunger, it is a vibrant reflection of the country's rich history, diverse culture, and harmonious blend of traditions. Every bite tells a story of centuries-old trade routes, cultural exchanges, and generations of culinary mastery. From bustling street markets to world-class restaurants, Malaysian cuisine stands as a symbol of unity, creativity, and pure flavor. The magic lies in its incredible diversity. With Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous influences, Malaysia offers a culinary experience unlike anywhere else in the world. Signature dishes such as nasi lemak, the fragrant national treasure of coconut rice served with sambal, fried anchovies, and peanuts, capture the soul of the nation. Char kway teow, a smoky stir-fried noodle dish. Shopping paradise. If there's one more reason why Malaysia always wins, it's the unbeatable shopping experience that draws millions of visitors every year. Shopping in Malaysia is not just about buying things, it's an adventure, a celebration of culture, and a reflection of the country's growing global influence. Whether you're a luxury seeker, a budget traveler, or someone who simply loves exploring vibrant markets, Malaysia offers something for every taste and every wallet. Malaysia also wins big with its duty-free zones in places like Langkawi, Labuan, and Tiaman Island, where visitors can buy chocolates, perfumes, gadgets, and liquor at unbeatable prices. Seasonal events like the Malaysia Mega Sale Carnival bring massive discounts and promotions, turning shopping into a thrilling nationwide festival that attracts tourists from Singapore, Thailand, and beyond. The Malaysian spirit of victory. So, why does Malaysia always win? Because winning isn't about never facing problems, it's about turning challenges into opportunities. Malaysia's diverse economy, strategic location, strong leadership, cultural unity, world-class infrastructure, and resilient people make it unstoppable. While other nations struggle to adapt, Malaysia continues to grow, inspire, and lead. Whether it's in trade, tourism, technology, or culture, Malaysia proves that smart planning, hard work, and unity can overcome any obstacle. The world is changing fast, but Malaysia shows us that true victory lies in staying strong, staying united, and always moving forward. That is why, no matter what happens globally, Malaysia will always win.